Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to record your Google Meet video calls using OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to meet.google.com. Once you're there, join or start your meeting call as you normally would. This is the meeting you'll be recording, so make sure everything is set up and ready to go before you proceed to the next steps. Now, while your Google Meet call is running, go ahead and open your OBS application on your computer. OBS is a powerful recording tool that will capture everything happening in your meeting, making it perfect for creating recordings of important calls or presentations. Once OBS launches, direct your attention to the Scenes section. Click on the plus icon to create a new scene. When the dialog box appears, type in Google Meet Recording as the name for your scene, then click OK. This helps you stay organized, especially if you use OBS for multiple recording purposes. Next, in the bottom left corner of your OBS window, navigate to the Sources section. Click the plus icon there, and from the menu that appears, select Window Capture. This option allows OBS to record specific windows on your computer rather than your entire screen. Click OK to continue. A new window will pop up with a drop-down menu at the top. Click on this drop-down menu and select your Google Meet window from the list. This tells OBS exactly which window to focus on and record. Once you've selected it, click OK to confirm your choice. At this point, you'll see your Google Meet call displayed in the OBS preview window. If needed, you can resize the capture by clicking and dragging the corners of the preview. This gives you control over how the recording will look and ensures everything important is visible in the frame. Now, if you want to record audio through your microphone, you'll need to add an audio source. Go back to the Sources section in the bottom left, click the plus icon again, and this time select Audio Input Capture. Click OK to proceed. A drop-down menu will appear at the top of the next window. Click on it and select your microphone from the available options. This ensures your voice is captured along with the meeting audio. Once you've chosen your microphone, click OK to finish the setup. With everything configured, you're now ready to start recording. In the right panel of OBS, you'll see a button labeled Start Recording. Click this button when you're ready to begin capturing your Google Meet call. OBS will now record everything happening in the meeting window along with your microphone audio. When your meeting wraps up and you're finished recording, simply click the Stop Recording button in the same right panel. OBS will save your recording to your designated output folder, and you'll have a complete video file of your Google Meet call ready to review or share. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a Google Meet call using OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.